I wonder if they even have that big old bucket for small boy. Everything's tiny and bummy. The hell is this? That's not what I want. It's a bunch of ass. Well, I'm definitely not gonna get that one. My drain pan's bigger than that. I don't even know what a tranny jack is. I've never had the luxury of using one. So we got this little guy from Harbor Freight. I do want to mod it out a little bit though, because this thing, I want like 8 times the size. So I gotta figure something out there. And then we did get a rice cake shelf. A rice cake / camera shelf from Harbor Freight. It's about 20 bucks. Sick. What do you think, George? Hi, George. George is here.
Hi, I think it's pretty sick.
He's leaving tomorrow for good. Does that mean I need to learn how to take photos now? Yeah. What we're gonna do now is wash the car for the first time. It's freaking disgusting. I wish George could go shoot it for the last time, but he doesn't wanna. So we're gonna wash it real quick. We have to go buy that one thing that I wanted to buy yesterday that I didn't tell you guys about. Ready for the ceramic coat goodness? You can shoot while I'm washing because it's gonna be all foamy. Ready? Dude, okay. Watch the ceramic coat bead. Does that not make you want a nut? Serious question. Damn. We got George out here to shoot some photos. The goat is gonna take some fire photos with the car real quick before he leaves to Denver. So, and this is also like the first time driving it in the daytime while it's complete. And she's doing all right. And it's bright, wow. So hyped that this car turned out, you know? Sometimes in life, you just gotta go out of your comfort zone on wild colors. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is realign the car. I made a mistake earlier when I aligned it last time, and the mistake I made was I had 25mm spacers on the front, but not the back. And obviously when you set the toe like that, with using the string method, it's gonna be way off, so I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna put the 25mm spacers on, realign the car quick. It shouldn't be like way off, it'll definitely be a little bit off, and then pull off the 25mm, throw in the 15mm, cut the studs, and then we should be done. I also need to rewrap the mirrors and the door handles. The door handles are peeling again, so I might go to Elko. Elko, I need your help. I'll do that later though. I didn't get quite finished up with the Evo project, and we definitely have a leaky headlight, which I kind of figured would happen. But right now we are going to go pick up a new turbo kit for one of the Evos. Not exactly sure which one is going on, but it's pretty sick. So here's what we picked up, boys. A big old fatty turbo kit for an 8 or 9. I'm not exactly sure which car it's gonna go on. It might go on that, or it might go on the blue one. I had this thought earlier, right after I bought this. It'd be really sick to go for like insane amounts of power on an all stock Evo motor and, you know, just like send it hard until it blows. So this is a 6266, same exact turbo that we run on the Evo 10. Definitely capable of like blowing a lot of stock motors. So I think it'd be pretty fun. But if we send it on the blue car, you know, slap a little fatty boy on there and make some power, I think it'd be a fun little series. The only thing it didn't come with is the lower intercooler pipe and the down pipe, which we can definitely have both of those built whenever we throw this on the car. But it'd be sick to just do like, you know, some simple stuff on the Blue 8, leave the entire engine all stock with like, well, maybe do cams, but other than that, fuel system, slap this fatty kid on there and see what she makes. I think it'd be a fun little project. Let me know in the comment section below, should we throw this on the black Evo 8? The only reason I don't want to put it on that car is because we literally just got that build like finished up and it makes really good power on E85 and it's fun to drive. Or if we should put it on the blue Evo 8 and just send it to the moon. I think it'd be sick. You like my new turbo kit?
Yes. It's beautiful, it's massive.
Should we put it on your STI?
Yeah, if it would fit.
Little change of plans, boys. Instead of cutting the studs, because like I mentioned a few days ago, we did buy new wheels. I don't know what car they're going on, but if they go on this car, I don't want to have to replace the studs. So what we did, here's a scoop. These XXRs that we run currently are 5 on 114 and 5 on 120. So all I did was take the 5 on 120 slot and Dremel it out just a little bit. All I needed was a tiny bit to clear the studs. So that's what we did. These studs are gonna fit right inside the spare hole right there, as you can see. Just a little bit of a Dremel, little Waller and out action. And now, we'll see if she clears. Just like it never happened. Wow. All right, torque down the wheel, or the spacers, 100 foot-pounds, torque down the wheels, 100 foot-pounds. Bam, 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 chickle cam, let's go drift this thing. What do you say? No drift? Are you gonna speak? Why don't you want to talk?
I don't want them to know.
A serious question for you, Bobbi.
Okay.
You like my reps?
Yes.
Oh, we have center caps. Should we put them on?
Well, yeah.
I don't know where I put them. We'll do it in a minute.
Why did you ask if I like them?
Well, sometimes you don't like them.
Well, they kind of look plasticky.
They're definitely not plastic.
Oh, I gotta drive the truck, or can we leave the truck here?
We'll leave the truck here.
Yay.
Bobbi hates the Duramax, guys. Go unfollow her.
I don't think anybody really is like a huge Duramax fan.
Excuse you? If you gave me, you could offer me every single other car I own, all in one package versus the Duramax, I take the Duramax.
I was talking about you. I meant your fans.
What do you mean? They don't like Duramaxes?
No, they do, but they're not gonna unfollow just because I hate them. Duramax is like an extra to the channel.
What's wrong with you? Are you jealous? Is that what I'm
saying?
saying?
A little bit salty.
Oh, that makes sense. A little 15 mil spacer action. Ooh, that's gonna be a real good fit. Nice and flush.
Oof.
It's definitely a tight fit, but you know what? You know what they say about tight fitment?
What did they say?
Tight's better than loose. Are you proud of me for not wearing flip-flops?
Yeah, I am. I think all of YouTube is going to be proud of you.
These are really high quality. Brand new, off the lot. They're the Hype Beast version. That's the brand. Bobbi and I are gonna go ahead and take this thing out. Make sure she drives good. Make sure it don't rub. If it rubs, you can always add a little bit of camber. I don't wanna go down to a 10 mil. Because these cars are, I've noticed this with the Black 8 when I was trying to like get good fitment on there. They're definitely wider in the front, like fender wise versus the rear. So a 25 up front and a 15 in the rear is perfect. Like there's hardly any camber on the car, maybe like 2 degrees. And both fit about the same front and rear, so yeah. As long as it doesn't rub, which I think we'll be alright.
I don't like it when you look under there like that. Because they know you can't see.
I got you a little present.
The last time you said you got me a present, you showed me your broken finger.
Yeah. Do you want to find your present or should I just show you?
I'm confused.
I got you a big old gift.
Was it in the shop right now? I don't want to look for it.
I got Bobby a present a while ago. About a week ago she showed up.
Oh, I know.
What?
My inner fender.
Yeah, I bought Bobby a new inner fender for fun. This is definitely an early birthday gift. Okay? And I don't know how to buy you anything for your birthday that isn't car related.
I know. Trust me.
Walk around the shop and find it.
What's next?
That's the trim piece for my truck, for the bed.
Are those them?
What?
That?
What is it?
Oh, I'm just a little bit confused. Are those for another one of your cars?
What is it?
Coils?
Do you want them? Why? Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
It's happened multiple times where I'll get Bobby a nice little surprise gift and she'll start crying.
I'm not crying.
She's literally crying.
No, babe, I literally like got dust. I got dust in my eye. Are you gonna say this joking? Oh my god, I'm literally crying. Can you just give me 1 sec?
She's definitely crying. Why are you running away?
Because I'm literally, tears are coming out of my eyes and it's embarrassing. Okay, I'm fine. There was like a massive bug in my eye. I couldn't get it out. Not crying. Are you just gonna say, just joking?
If you keep crying about it.
Oh, baby, I literally wasn't crying.
You had a tear running down your cheek.
No, I don't know what you saw, but that wasn't a tear.
Would you like to take him down?
Those are for me? Thanks, baby.
You can sit him down on your table. I'm joking. They're for the M3. Why are you crying? I got coilovers for my new M3.
They're for my freaking M3.
Yeah.
Promise? On your life?
I mean, it probably says on there somewhere.
Seriously?
Yeah, they're for the M3.
Why are you lying?
What do you mean? I just wanted to kind of get you good.
I'm so confused.
They're for your car.
I'm gonna start crying again because you're being mean.
How long have you wanted to lower your car for?
Since the day I got it?
And I've been slacking.
Yes.
Why don't you buy your own gosh darn coilovers?
It's invested into my Alvinware.
Oh. So, Bobby's birthday is coming up. We'll be gone. We're actually leaving to Cancun soon. What we got for her birthday. But a little early birthday present. Just a little FYI, I probably can't put these on for like a week or so. I'll try to fit it in one of these days. But a little early birthday present for Bobby.
But I wanted to do it tonight.
No, there's no way we have time tonight. We picked up some yellow speed coils for her car. We've ran yellow speed on both Evo's now, and I love them. Bobby loves them. Bobby loves me now that I bought her coilovers.
Oh, I've always loved you.
Since the day I was born, that's what's up. So yeah, we picked some up for her car, and I'm super stoked to get them on her car. We won't be installing them tonight. Hopefully we can get them on within the next week or so, because we still have
we are.
We are? I want to do it on the lift. That'd be sick. Whenever we finish up with this car, we can put your clothes on. But yeah, I'm super stoked to get a car down on the ground a little bit. Not like slammed. Well, we'll just do whatever you want. If you want to slam it, you can slam it.
I'm kind of thinking like pretty low.
Alright.
And I wasn't crying.
Oh.
It's embarrassing if I was.
You were.
Is that embarrassing?
No.
That I cry over freaking
Car parts. I wish we could just like order every single thing for your car and just do it right now, but I do not have time.
Yeah.
Soon then.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know how soon, but I know you want coilovers, so I figured. I do have a discount code for yellow speed coilovers. And like I've said 1,000 times, I love these things more than any coil I've ever ran. And I've ran a lot. So Devin, wait, what's the code again? Devin Niemela will save you 10% off at yellowspeedracing.com. So I know after you enter in the code And I believe it gives you free shipping as well. It's like it's under $900 shipped
That's a pretty good deal.
to your gosh darn door for some coils. So
I want to take them home.
I wasn't even gonna surprise you with these tonight, but then I noticed that today you're feeling a little sad and stressed about my finger.
I just want to say thank you, babe. I'm just really excited to get my car lowered.
I feel it.
That's what like the majority of people say is like, when are you gonna lower it?
Yeah, she needs to be low.
Because there's a huge wheel gap.
It's pretty bummy. I wish you could open them up right now, but I don't want to.
But I want to.
Honey, when we put them on the car, we can.
Are they yellow?
Yeah, they're the same as these. I know these days have been a little bit more relaxed. There's not an insane amount I can do. I might pop this thing like a lot of you guys have said to do. Stab it with a drill bit or something.
A needle, babe.
A needle. Or you can drill it.
No.
Oh, I have a drill right over there.
Baby, why would you drill your finger?
Why? Because I have a drill.
You can do a needle and it won't do as much damage.
So I apologize for not getting a ton of stuff done, but anything that we did today, wheel spacers mainly, I'll link it down below. I'll link the ceramic coat down below because you guys saw how beautiful it was when we washed the car. You should have seen it. It was just insane. Just like, whoosh. And then Yellow Speed Racing, I'll link down below with my discount code as well, so you guys can save some cash over at Yellow Speed. To end off today, I'm gonna pull out the blue Evo 8 and I'm gonna go drive it. You wanna come? I guess you rode with me, so you have to.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. I don't think I've driven it or been in it at all yet.
Are you over your sadness?
I wasn't sad, it was happy tears.
I feel it.